Hello friends, welcome to our video on what is HTML. HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, is the foundation of building web pages. In this video, we will explore what HTML is, its basic structure, and how it is used to create web content. Let's start with a simple example of HTML code. HTML consists of elements defined by tag. Tags are enclosed within angle brackets and they define the structure and content of the web page. HTML follows a hierarchical structure consisting of various elements such as heading, paragraph, list, image, and more. These elements are structured within opening and closing tag. Opening tag mark the beginning of the element and closing tag mark the end. The content of the element is placed between this opening and closing tag. Let's take a look at an example. The h1 tag represents the highest level of heading in HTML and it used for main headings. As you can see, the h1 opening tag marks the starting of the heading and the h1 closing tag marks the end. HTML elements can also have attributes that provides additional information about the element. Attributes are placed within the opening tag and provides properties like style or linking to the other resources. Here is an example of an img elements with the src attribute pointing to an image file. The attribute tells the browser where to find the image. Thank you for watching. We hope you now have a better understanding of basics of HTML and how it's used to build web pages. Stay tuned for more educational content.